How to import WhatsApp chat. So you may already have the chat saved on your new device, but if you do not, first of all, you're going to need to export the chat from your old device. So to do that, you want to go to the settings, which you can do by clicking the bottom right-hand corner of the WhatsApp app, clicking on like the use section where it says your name. There you'll be able to click on chats like I've just done. Then you'll be able to click on an individual chat or multiple chats. That you will be able to say that you want to import it with all the media or without all the media. That's up to you. Then what you want to do is it will come up saying the different apps you can kind of import it into. So you want to potentially do this to Google Drive, your email. If you're doing it from like iPhone to iPhone, you can even do it in Notes. If you're doing it from like one chat to another chat, depending on what you're doing, but you want to kind of save it on to some form of app that you can transfer over to your new phone from your old one. Then what you're going to want to do is if you want to do an individual chat, you want to click on the top part of the chat that you want to export. That will kind of bring up the contact info and settings of the individual chat. You want to click on export chat at the bottom there. And then same way that you did with the previous one, you want to do it with or without media there. Go ahead and save it to the Google Drive, email, whatever you want to do. It doesn't matter which one. And then what you're going to want to do is go over to your new device, so your new phone that you're trying to import the chat into. You want to go ahead and pull up the file. So it's going to look a bit like this. It's going to be like a zip file. You want to click on that on your new device from potentially your email or your Google Drive on the new device. Then here, if you're doing an iPhone, you want to click the bottom left-hand corner where you see a little upwards arrow. Then you want to click into the chat that you want to import. Go ahead and choose that, click search, and then you want to send the message with the WhatsApp chat file you're importing into that new chat there. You can do similar way on Android with the settings that are on there. Then you want to, then you can basically open up the new chat in your new WhatsApp chat on your new phone device there. Go ahead and you can click on preview content. You can see it there. You can transfer it into different chats from there if you want to as well. So leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.